What's up everybody and welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan and if you are new here, thank you for joining us, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today I have another pair of, you guessed it, true wireless earbuds, these ones with active noise cancellation. I've only reviewed one other pair of active noise canceling wireless earbuds on the channel, so I'm excited for them to have a competitor. These are the DIGDIY or DIGDIY, it's DIGDIY. Don't know how to say it. All I know is that they're pretty cool, they work well, and today I'm gonna show you everything that comes in the box, tell you a little about how these work, my real world experiences, and let you know whether I think they are worth picking up for yourself. Now, if you're not a subscriber of this channel, I'd love to have you become one, but we won't waste any more time talking about that. Let's take a look at these DIGDIY true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. So this model is the D10 from DIGDIY, and it's very similar looking to most of the other true wireless active noise canceling earbuds that you're gonna see. It's got a very slim case, which we're gonna see in a minute, and as far as the packaging, it looks really professional. It looks really well done. It even has a barcode on the back, as along with all of your other certifications and FCC stuff. I like how it looks. It says a lot about the company being professional and caring about how their product is presented, which is nice to see. You do have a few different specs on the back. I'm gonna read that to you. 2-hour charging time. I imagine that's from absolute nothing, so 2 hours, that's not the worst I've ever seen. It's a standard 5-volt 1-amp charging, 10 hours of music and talk time with the active noise canceling off, and 8 hours with the noise canceling on. That's for the earbuds themselves. The case will additionally hold 30 hours of charge, so actually one of the higher amounts of battery life I've seen in some wireless earbuds. These are Bluetooth 5.0, so the latest specs as far as distance and using one earbud at a time, pairing multiple earbuds to a device, all that kind of stuff, you're gonna get it with these. Now, let's not waste any more time talking about specs. We'll open up the box, which is surprisingly hard to do. I've ripped this box a couple times, the flap opening it up, but when you pull out the inner box, it's in a really nice kind of black cardboard there, and on top you have this little envelope with all of the information in it. The hot stamped kind of foil letters there look really good, and they include a handful of things in here. You're going to get your warranty card and your information card, 2-year warranty on these guys, so that's good that they support it. You have a quick start guide, which is what most people will use to understand these earbuds. They're very simple to operate, like most earbuds are. And they also include a full manual here if this does not satisfy your craving to read instructions. Now, here is the earbud case itself inside of a nice piece of shaped foam. There is a little cardboard box at the bottom of the outer container, and you can probably guess what's in here. Like most of the earbuds we review, it is going to be extra ear tips and a charging cable, quite possibly the smallest charging cable I've ever seen. This has to be 6 inches or less long, so keep these close to their charging port on your desk or something, or use a longer cable because it's very small. It is USB-C, so that is nice to see, and they have your standard small, medium, and large ear tips included with the earbuds. So enough about that. Let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. This is the case, and I actually just put them back in. You can see that there's some charging indicator lights on the outside there. 4 lights letting you know the approximate charge. Right now the case is at 2 lights, so halfway charged approximately. And as far as the size goes, this is on the larger end. I do like the design, the shape of it, but it's not the smallest case. You can see the charging port right there, along with a button to pair the headphones, the earbuds with your phone. It feels good in the hand. It's plastic. Not the best construction, but feels just like any other pair of sub $100 earbuds that I've reviewed in the past. You've got a somewhat magnetic case, and when you pop those open, some lights will light up on the earbuds themselves, showing you that they are charging. So in this case, they are red. If I take them out of the case, they'll immediately pair to each other, and because I've already paired them to my phone, they're going to pair with my phone immediately. Now, these are not going to be ready to go out of the gate. They have plastic on them when they're shipped to you, so the case will be charged, but the earbuds will not, so you'll need to take that plastic off, pop them back in. You can't use these immediately out of the box. Now, construction on these is all plastic, as to be expected. Standard design with the little stick and the earbud right there. They're lightweight, so they're not going to weigh down your ears if you're going running or have to wear them for long periods of time. I use the smallest ear tips because I got tiny ear canals, so you can find which ones work best for you. Now, fitting these in your ear, just kind of push them in, and then I kind of twist as I seat them so that the stick is pointing straight up and down or maybe a little bit forward. I found that that is the best feeling position for me. And the active noise cancellation, that's the other feature that most people care about. It works really well. Active noise cancellation is great for those kind of low, continuous droning noises, an air conditioning unit, kind of the murmur in the library. Of course, airplane noise is what everyone knows them for, mowing the lawn. The noise cancellation works well. To turn it on and off, you just hold the outside of the headphone. This is all touch sensitive on the stick here. Hold that for 2 seconds. You'll turn the active noise cancellation on. Hold it for 2 more seconds and you'll turn it off. That's on the right earbud. The controls on these guys are pretty simple. 1 tap on the right will raise the volume, 1 tap on the left will lower the volume, 2 taps will pause, it doesn't matter which side you do that on, and then 3 taps on the right will fast forward, 3 taps on the left will back up. It works really well. The touch sensitivity is great. You don't want to touch the bottom end of the little stick here, more towards the top where it actually inserts into your ear. It's more responsive in that area. Now, sound quality, of course, everyone cares about that. And I always kind of just put this in relation to the average listener, not an audiophile, just kind of the average Joe that wants a pair of earbuds that sound halfway decent and will stand up to the test of time. And on these guys, I would say the sound is pretty natural. The only issue I have is the bass is not as strong as other models that I've reviewed in the past. Now, some people don't like excessive bass. They think it's muddy. They think it's not the true sound of their headphones. Maybe you're not someone that listens to hip hop every day and you don't want a ton of bass. In that case, these are probably going to be great for you. A much more balanced profile. The mids are a little bit amplified, so there is kind of some definition in the vocals and they're a little bit stronger. I would say it's kind of, instead of like a smiley face EQ curve that we see a lot, this is kind of like a hump curve. But on the whole, it's more than acceptable for the standard everyday user. If you're an audiophile, these are not going to be for you, but if you're just the average person that wants to listen to them, even me, someone who has a lot of pair of headphones, I would be more than happy to wear these commuting to school, working at school, in the library, working out at the gym, anything like that. It's going to be great. On the box, it says these are sweat proof. I don't see an IPX rating, so I'm not going to like quantitatively say how much water they can handle, but wearing these to the gym, I mean, they didn't short out on me. I don't know how sweaty I am, but they say they are sweat proof, so as long as you're not dunking them in the pool, they should stand up to some abuse. So this is the DIGDIY D10 active noise cancellation true wireless earbuds. These are a heck of a lot cheaper than the Apple AirPod Pros or any of the other name brand things. So if you want to get a pair on a budget to try them out, see if you need or want active noise cancellation, this is a great pair to start with. So if you want to grab a set, there's going to be a link as always down in the description. You can buy through there and support the channel. I would love you for it, and I will keep bringing you good tech reviews every single week. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. Let me know what you think of these or if you have any experience with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.